Hello, I am Sharunas, and this is a short introduction to our product. Let me share my screen and let's start. Okay, I will start by taking your attention to this comparison, which might seem a bit out of place. You see two plane cockpits. One looks like a lot of manual work, and another one is the current state of art. Automation frees up pilot time from mundane tasks to allow them focusing on other demanding ones. But I am sure this was not so obvious back then. I think laser machine control industry is on the same verge of transition. Many are still using machine code, even though there is a better solution. So today I want to show you how DMC saves precious time for machine builders and researchers working with laser setups. This saved time then can be focused on the essential work. Here is an example of the program script in DMC, and on the right, a snippet of machine code. So 17 lines of human readable commands versus more than 5,000 lines of code. And to illustrate the effect of this, I will tell you my experience when I just started working at DMC. At the beginning, I had no experience with any machine code. I'm a physicist, I knew there is such a thing, but I did not have any extensive experience controlling motion systems or laser machines. With DMC, I was able to learn to use laser setup in a couple of days. In a couple of weeks, I was able to create complex workflows, working with multiple laser devices, stage and galvo synchronization, and various 3D geometries, machine vision. This would have taken much longer if I had to learn to work with machine code or use several complicated programs. And I worked not on a commercial laser machine where it is made to be convenient, but a setup assembled from individual components. Imagine, for researchers out there, you could take a student who has no experience with any laser machine control and get him up to speed to do experiments in just a couple of weeks. Or imagine a company wanting to build a laser machine. They just need to buy off-the-shelf hardware components, install DMC, and you are ready to go. To work with DMC, the user creates a design with DMC or any other CAD software, imports it, sets process parameters, and clicks run. DMC will control motion, lasers, cameras, and any other devices in the setup to make the final part. In some cases, this approach replaces the workflow where you would use 3-4 different software packages for your process. For some of our customers, the process preparation is reduced from 6 hours to 6 minutes. How? Let's cover this in 2 steps. Firstly, DMC controls all hardware from one sender. I know this image looks complicated, but please don't worry. DMC handles all of it. The user just prepares the CAD object, creates a recipe, sets process parameters, and clicks run. Then DMC controls motion devices, scanners, lasers, cameras, sensors, and other devices to execute the process. The user can focus on the actual process and not how to conduct this complex orchestra. Second, process-specific tools. I will overview some of them in the next couple of slides. DMC has calibration tools for cameras, stages, and galvo scanners. Using these tools, our customers are often able to prepare system for work in a couple of hours. Camera calibration is automated by using stage motion and image analysis. It can be done with just a couple of clicks. By the way, full version of these animations can be seen on our YouTube page. Then stage calibration tool requires the user to have a calibration plate. Then with any camera and DMC machine vision, automatic process collects the data to generate a 2D calibration file. Galvo calibration uses cameras and stages as well. That not only fixes galvo optical distortions, but misalignment in relation to the stage axis. All this often results in the smallest possible stitching errors. DMC includes machine vision tools for alignment and inspection, sensor integration for autofocus and surface scanning. There are capabilities from simple stitching to adaptive marking on the fly, where the stage motion is adjusted based on the density of trajectories to process. With the suitable hardware, the user can also use infinite field technologies where you get no staging errors. And you can easily work with any arbitrary shapes. There are multiple tools for processing 3D objects, 5-axis processing, texturing, and much more. Another large part of our applications is within the additive manufacturing realm. We pride ourselves for fast process preparation and effective large file handling. We have capabilities to control multiple scanners, combine scanner and stage motion, integrate sensors, and adjust process parameters slice by slice, or even within the same slice. All this allows our customers to develop new and better approaches in this rapidly developing industry. So to recap, DMC advantages are fast process preparation and execution, suitable for a wide range of applications, include system calibration tools, and all this results in a reduced time to market and ease of use. How do we do this? By controlling all hardware from the single center, fast and reliable CAD conversion, and optimized process-specific tools. We have started almost 7 years ago. Now we are 10 people and growing fast. We have a fully equipped application lab. We are based in Vilnius, a world-renowned photonics hub, and we serve some of the largest and best-known companies and institutions around the world. So thank you, and we are looking forward to working with you.